Is your Hyundai Sonata's alarm randomly activating? Here's how to pinpoint the cause. First, consider recent recalls. Hyundai issued recalls like Entsetsa campaign number 23V456 for 2018-2022 models due to faulty door latch assemblies which can trigger false alarms. Check if your Sonata is affected. If not affected by recalls, the issue likely stems from one of three main culprits: a faulty door switch, a key fob malfunction such as low battery or needing reprogramming, or overly sensitive motion detectors that activate from vibrations or nearby activity. Addressing these areas is the first step to resolving the problem. Start with the simplest solutions. Replace your key fob battery and ensure the fob is functioning correctly. Next, inspect your door switches. Look for any signs of corrosion or damage. A temporary fix might involve lubricating the door hinges. For sensitivity issues, check your vehicle's infotainment system or consult your dealer for settings to adjust motion sensor sensitivity. If these steps don't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. If problems persist, an OBD2 scanner can help identify error codes like B1000 for module faults. As a last resort before seeking professional help, consider aftermarket alarm systems like Viper or CompuStar, which offer more customization. Remember, newer Sonatas may have remote alarm management via the Hyundai BlueLink app. Note, if your car is under warranty or part of a recall, contact your dealer.